Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Hajmola cocktail. First, gather your ingredients: a few fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lemon, and a strip of Hajmola candy. You'll also need about 150 milliliters of a carbonated drink, such as soda or sparkling water. Don't forget a pinch of black salt and a teaspoon of sugar for an optional rim garnish. To begin crafting your drink, muddle about 5 or 6 fresh mint leaves with 2 lemon wedges directly in your serving glass. Next, crush 2 Hajmola candies into a fine powder and add them to the muddled mixture. Then, pour in approximately 150 milliliters of your chosen chilled carbonated drink. Stir everything gently to ensure all the distinct flavors are well combined and infused. You can easily personalize your Hajmola cocktail to suit your taste. For a spicy kick, try adding a small dash of fresh ginger juice. If you prefer a different citrus note, substitute the lemon with fresh lime wedges. Adjust the number of Hajmola candies to make the digestive flavor stronger or milder. A splash of fruit juice like pineapple can also add a delightful sweetness. To serve, garnish your refreshing Hajmola cocktail with a fresh lemon slice or a vibrant mint sprig. For an extra special touch, you can rim your glass with a mixture of black salt and a pinch of sugar. Serve this unique beverage immediately over plenty of ice to ensure it's perfectly chilled. Enjoy the delightful tangy, sweet, and digestive-friendly flavors of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.